Political pulse. Todwong clarifies Mao's status. Speakership tensions simmer. Chankwan's invite for Mao stands. The National Resistance Movement, NRM, has clarified that newly elected independent MP and cabinet minister Norbert Mao remains a key political partner despite recent speculation. NRM Secretary General Richard Todwong addressed the party's stance, emphasizing that Mao has shown no intention of breaking their working relationship. Honorable Mao is a member of the cabinet and a newly elected MP. He has not expressed any intention of not working with the NRM, Todwong stated. He confirmed that Mao is among the independents invited to the upcoming retreat at Changwanzi, though attending is Mao's personal choice. Here is Todwong.
Our memorandum of understanding with the Democratic Party still holds because we have not reviewed it and we have not signed a new one. The Honorable Norbert Mao is a member of Cabinet of Uganda and is a newly elected member of Parliament, and he has not expressed any other opinion of working against the party or working outside the party. So he is part of the independent, we say independent in quotes because he belongs to a political party that we are extending invitation to. If he accepts our invitation, he will attend. If he does not accept, also we don't force him. But the party is open and willing to work with the positive-minded individuals.
Context with speakership race. Should Anita worry? These reassurances come against the backdrop of intensifying jockeying for parliamentary leadership, with the new House set to elect a speaker. Observers are watching whether the NRM's overtures to independence could reshape alliances. Mao, who declared his speakership position, is a senior government figure who retains an independent base, and it makes him a potential consensus candidate if the party faces internal structures. This raises a direct question for incumbent Speaker Anita Mao. Having survived a turbulent previous term marked by corruption allegations and foreign sanctions, our path to re-election is not guaranteed. The NRM's visible effort to court independence, like Mao, suggests the party wants options. If a significant bloc blocks an alternative candidate, even one not openly campaigning, Mao could face an unprecedented challenge. For now, Todwong's comment signals stability, but the Changwanzi invitation places the ball squarely in Mao's court. His acceptance or rejection will be the first true indicator of whether the speakership race remains a one-horse contest. And Todwong says Mao is independent. That's a topic for another time.